Hey guys, welcome back to our channel if you're already subscribed, and hey, welcome if this is your first time here. We truly do appreciate you guys, so please click the subscribe button below because that will really help us grow this channel. Don't forget to comment if you can, and be sure to leave a like if you enjoy our videos. So I'm going to start off by prepping her hair just like in our previous hairstyle tutorial. Today I'm going to make a part going across and band the back of her hair so we can actually focus on the front section. It's actually dawned to me that I really do need to start protecting the back of my daughter's hair and styles too. So in the future I will. Okay, well, hello gorgeous. She's such a poser. I've noticed that her hair has started to thin at the sides, which usually happens if I've applied too much tension to her hair and scalp. So this time I'm going to ditch the elastic bands for her, well, for her sensitive areas, and just do cane rows or cornrows to still give her the hair up, hair down look, which you'll be able to see by the end. So I'm going to do 2 cane rows on the side, directing towards the front of her hair, and then I will start incorporating the elastic bands, which you guys will see in a second. Amazing. So now I'm just parting the top of her hair, and I'm going to split the first top section of her hair into 4 different tiny sections, and then incorporate elastic bands to each of those 4 sections.
King, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body.
So in the last hair tutorial I did a similar style, but I did a twist instead of a plait. This time we're doing a plait in hopes that it will actually last longer, but time will tell, so fingers crossed. Wait, pause. I hope it all vibe into this song, you know. Oh my god. Leave a like down below if you enjoy this song. Just for the song, leave a like, please. King, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king
body gon' shine, bling bling body. Calling all the shots, boom, bring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live the king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Top everything, everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, time already, shine already, time already, shine already, time already, shine already, time already. Diamonds on my fist, my intimate job. Come and rest your head, take your crown off. Woke up in the phone, need to take it slow. Said I'm moving too fast, need to take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Trying to turn my baby on. Take it slow.
Alright guys, you know me. I always feel like I've talked way too much in the beginning of the video, so I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did on the first side of her hair onto the second side of her hair. So I'm just going to keep quiet now and let you guys watch it. Okay guys, so remember me saying that I'm going to start doing protective styles at the back of her hair, because as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but the back of her hair is actually starting to thin. So that's going to be a whole nother video of me doing protective styles at the back of her hair, and that's what I'm going to be incorporating from now on. But in this video, I'm just going to part, spritz, deep condition, and create two pretty buns at the back. so at this point her hair is technically finished, but the top just didn't want to work with me. Like, it just didn't want to work with me. So you can see that I was a bit confused, standing around a little bit, still a bit confused, and then I finally decided to do an up at the top and down on the sides hairstyle, and that's how this look was created. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you absolutely loved all of the cute facial expressions that Gemini was making. We absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting our channel, and yes, we will see you guys in our next video.